Good morning from a slightly wet and windy Tortola in the British Virgin Islands. Day 4 on the Disney Treasure, and it's our first port of call, and of course it's my first ever time being here, and I cannot wait to get ashore. So yes, day 4 already, day 4, cannot believe it. We've had 2 days at sea, and first port of call is Tortola, and I'm a massive fan of Pirates of the Caribbean, the ride especially, and I have a t-shirt on and we're in Tortola. How awesome is this? I can't put 2 and 2 together yet, but I just cannot wait to get. I don't care if I get wet, I'll have a jacket on, whatever, but I just cannot wait to get off. But first of all, I'm going to get some breakfast, go to the Marceline area. I think is it called the Marceline Market? But the Marceline food area, get some food, get some breakfast and head on off. So it is about 8:30 in the morning just now. On board time is 5:45. You need your key card, your key to the world card, your room key, and you need a passport if you're someone like myself out with USA, but if you're within a US resident you can take your driver's license. So anyway, let's go, let's get breakfast and then let's go and explore some of Tortola. I don't know what really is here, but let's go and explore. I even put sun cream on, I was that keen because I thought it would be really nice. Hopefully the weather changes, and I've got my bag on as well because you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy t-shirts and who knows, other magnets, Tortola magnets. So let's go. Do you think we'll see any pirates when we go to Tortola? Pirate themed stuff? Hope so. Deck 11. Just up in deck 11 near the pool, and we have another ship next to us, the Ambience. And look at the views of Tortola. Very hilly with the houses and shops. Looking forward to exploring more today. Just looking forward to get off the ship for a bit as well. Breakfast of champions. Look at this, look at all the colours. I love this, all the different colours of the buildings. Hopefully if the weather stays like this I'll be happy. Amazing scenery. Looking forward to getting off. We're looking forward to get some breakfast just now and then getting off. As always, I ate far too much. Really enjoyed that breakfast. Look at this view, back on deck 11. We are cleaning just now. But look at the views. We are off, it is warm. Look at this. Cannot believe that I'm doing this right now. I am in Tortola in the Caribbean. Who would have thought I would ever be anywhere like a place like this? And of all experiences on a Disney cruise, like I said, I don't know what's on the island, but we'll soon find out what we can get up to. Look at the water, absolutely stunning. BVI, British Virgin Island. How cool is that, looking back at the ship? And straight off the ship is this street, but it's not the main drag, I don't think. This is just your general off the ship shops, which we'll have a look at briefly. I'm going to try and get away from here though, away from the port a little bit, and see what there is out there. There's the Virgin Islands Supreme Court, the first touristy thing I've seen. The next thing I spotted, and what they're calling is the botanical gardens. So let's see what the botanical gardens has to offer. There it's there. The entry fee was $3 each. I'm going to walk around, see what the Botanic Gardens has to offer. Yeah, I hear you. You hear that? That's my alarm clock going off. I have spotted a bridge. Now, to be fair, the Botanical Gardens, it is a little bit run down. I've done a lot of research. Tortola got really hit badly with Hurricane Irma a while back. But worth a little visit, especially for the price.
Yeah, don't step back. That one is a male.
There you are. As soon as I start to move, it'll go. Thank you.
And that one is a male.
Yeah, take
The
it.
males are concave at the bottom. So this is, the males have a shape, but the females are just straight round because they have the space for the eggs.
I have now made it to Queen Elizabeth II Park, and the rain has started again. I went up to the Botanic Gardens, which is a long walk there. I've walked all the way back down towards the ship. I'm going to get some cover just now, just so the rain passes, and have a look around this park. And there's the two ships. There's a Disney cruise we're on, and then Ambassador next to us. Hopefully this rain goes away very soon. There we go, the sun's back out 2 minutes later. It is still very windy, so apologies, I'm trying to block out the wind as much as I can, just so we can see this site, the water, some of the yachts. I'm trying to find some sort of plaque or information that says Queen Elizabeth II. Now, it is a little bit run down. I really do hope that tourism can bring this place back up again, because you can see it is a beautiful place, but it's a little bit run down. The swing park here. The swing park kind of seems new. Yeah. But I'm not seeing any informational, like, board or anything. But yeah, I think I'm going to go for a little walk, check out some of the gift stores, t-shirts, magnets, you name it. Gonna have a look, see what I can get as a memento for our stop off here at Tortola. I could have done the island tour, but yeah, I wasn't too sure about that. I just wanted to do my own thing, really. A lot of chickens. A lot of chickens just roaming around. Lots of chickens. If you're wondering how I know it's Queen Elizabeth II Park, it's just by using Google Maps. I've been using it to see what there is around here to do. It's a cool little photo up of the ships and Tortola. That photo up there with the two ships, the Disney cruise behind. The other ship there. I have found the gift stores, and look at that magnet, the pirate Tortola magnet. $10 for the pirate magnet. I did not buy it, I'm not paying $10 for a magnet, but I did get a t-shirt, another magnet, which I'll show later on. $10 for a magnet? Oh, right. What next? Big truck. Right. Well, I think I'm going to call my adventure on Tortola to a finish, to an end. It's been absolutely amazing weather. Really lucky. The odd showers here or there only last for a few minutes. They've got this The big massive water taxi thing that takes you on an excursion somewhere. I don't know if it's through Disney or not, but I don't think it is, to be honest. And I don't know where it goes, but look at it move, look at it shake. But yeah, it's been really, really nice to visit. Some areas are run down, and hopefully they start to pick back up again. But I'm going to get back on board the ship, chill for a bit, and obviously eat more food and have a chill day. And it is Pirates Night. I haven't mentioned that yet, but it's Pirates Night tonight. I'm not getting all dressed up, but I'll just I'll be nice and subtle. A few things I'll put on for Pirates Night. And you can see Captain Hook and Peter Pan at the back of the ship. Very fitting for Pirates Night, being here in the Caribbean or Caribbean, Tortola, a Disney treasure. Loving this ship, absolutely stunning ship. Staff, cast members, amazing. Food, amazing. Entertainment, amazing. Yeah, been awesome so far. Let's get back on board, see what we can get up to on Pirates Night. Back in the room, and it's official, Pirates Night. Disney Cruise Line do give you these to get you involved if you wish. So you don't have to bring anything fancy, but there we go. How cool is that? So I'm quite happy, very happy actually, with the purchase that I made. So I got a Tortola t-shirt with the British Virgin Islands on it, and then a magnet. Got this one for $5, and the t-shirt was $15. So yeah, pretty good memento. Something I can use and wear. If you followed me before, that's what I'm kind of doing. So just now is collecting magnets and t-shirts. Don't know why, but yeah, might as well add it to the collection. Oh, back on I should not have sat down. Back on the ship, in my room, and I am going to go and get fed, obviously. So I'm going to go up and get lunch up on deck 11, hamburger probably, or some pizza maybe. We'll see how the queues are. Can get a little bit busy, but it is port day, so a lot of folk are off as well. So I'll go and enjoy some food just now. It is about 2 PM. Had a good day at Tortola. Not a lot to do. There is like the Botanic Gardens that I went and seen, and the Queen Elizabeth Gardens, but our park. There's like the Governor's House. There is some museums, but like I said, a little bit run down. But hopefully cruises and tourism can bring this place right back up again. There is tours you can do as well, so you can book tours. I've never really shown that, but there is little kind of buses, these kind of open buses, small tram looking type of buses that can take you around the island and do different tours. So maybe one day, but not today. I'll maybe do that one day. And but yeah, I did enjoy it, enjoy the weather, enjoyed seeing some sunshine again. It's been a long time since I've seen some sunshine, so that was good. But yeah, I'm going to go before I get any more chilled, because I want to go and get some food, maybe come back to the room, edit another video. It doesn't take me too long, maybe an hour, 2 hours, mainly 2 hours to edit a video sometimes. So I will go and get some food, and then it's Pirates Night. Yeah, so looking forward to that. Something it's always a good fun night. If you're wondering about the characters, I am going to be plugging in some characters, meets, stuff like that throughout the week. So I know I haven't seen many characters, or I have seen characters but I haven't shown many characters, but I will do that throughout the whole week as well. Maybe pick a day, another sea day possibly, and see some characters. So who knows, even tonight who I'll see. So anyway, let's continue the fun evening tonight for Pirates Night, and this afternoon and then this evening. I think I'm going to turn into a cheeseburger. I'm surprised myself that I'm not getting so much pizza, or any pizza. The burgers are good. Did I fall asleep for a few hours? Yes, I did. Is the ship leaving the dock? Yes, it is. The ship is currently pushing out from the dock. I'm going to go and try and catch that and say goodbye to Tortola. So we've got the pirate music going on. Love rum. And there you have it. There it is, Tortola looking back. Really warm, really nice night. And we have left. Now they haven't played the horn. I don't know if they're going to play the horn or not. I don't think they will play the horn, to be honest, because they're so close to the island. But you never know. You never know. There's looking back where we were docked up next to the Ambassador. It's still very windy, but that is nice and warm. There's not many folk that you can wave to because you can't see any folk, or I don't think many folk came out to wave goodbye, but there was no horns, so it must just be a thing. Hopefully we'll get the horns maybe somewhere Castaway Quay or tomorrow, or at St Thomas. Oh, listen to the Pirates of the Caribbean song. Oh, I love the theming. Right, I'm gonna go get changed and go enjoy the night. Pirates night. Kept it basic.
Why, if I had any skin at all, I'd be a blusher.
Sea land lovers, let's hear it for your favorite pirate crew. It's Pirate Donald! It's Pirate Goldie! Now look lively here, scallywags. It's time to rattle the rigging. Raise your voices for the leaders of our pirate crew. Let's hear it for Captain the Fishy and
It's a pirate's life for me!
Ahoy, mateys! Are you ready for pirate fun and adventure?
Away, away, away we go!
oh no, is it right, Goopy? Is that who I think it is?
Yes, it is I, the new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Say we won't. This ship is mine!
But this is our ship!
Why don't we get it back with a captain's challenge?
Toss that pirate crew! Oh, very well. The terms. If I win, you walk the plank.
I'm free!
Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea
It's feeding time. And I am back at the Walt Disney Studio, the Walt Disney 1923 restaurant for Pirate Night food. There will be themed Pirates Night. What do you think?
How are you? Yeah.
Good, yeah.
Amazing.
Amazing. Thank you. I'll have the carrot and cilantro soup and the main jerk chicken. I'll go for the Pirates Treasure Sundae since it's Pirate Night.
Yes.
When you're adventurous and you get the grouper in a nice Caribbean way.
That was good. Sunday time. So good. Well, I'm struggling to move. I'm eating far too much. Far too much. It is some of the best food that I'm having on this cruise. That was really nice. The soup, not so much. I really enjoyed the soup. But chicken was really good. Chicken and the dessert. The Sunday, the Pirate Treasure Sundae. Really nice. 1923 at Walt Disney. Trust me to go back into a store because they have some new merchandise out. Look at this. They seem to change it. Not every day, but it seems like every day. Oh, the new cruise line Spirit jersey. No price on it. That is scary when there's no price on it.
Like a little clip to blow to stop them from falling.
I already bought a mug on this trip, so I will not be buying another one. Never say never. But they're pretty smart. Cruise line 98. Is that the Nautilus? That's very unusual to see merch for the Nautilus.
So you want me to put it back on you?
10,000 Leagues Under the Sea. I think it's because of Pirates Night.
No, I don't have any. Is there anything else you wanted to suggest? This one for now. You wanna?
It is so unusual to see products. Am I seeing things? I like the coasters, look at the coasters. But very rare to see products for the Nautilus. And the shirt as well. 65. This is really cool. They're calling it the planter. It's a planter. That's what that is. Maybe just because it's Pirates Night. Oh, look at this. The Haunted Mansion mantle clock. I like that. It lights up. And to be honest with you, that's not a bad price. $80. That's pretty good. Back in Mickey's main sale. I don't think it ever shown the Disney Treasure ears with hook and Peter Pan for $45. And that's the inaugural sailing ears. Well, we've got Minnie all dressed up in a pirate outfit, and Chip and Dale as well. On the Great Hall. And Peter Pan is also right at the top here. quite see him, but he's just there. Peter Pan. Look at this one. Pirates, mate. That's for the big kids.
Yeah.
For the big kids.
This is for the non-alcoholic drinks, sir. Yeah. But if you want it for the alcoholic drinks,
I appreciate it. That's cool. Thank you. So back up to the open deck for Pirates Rockin' Parlay Party. Hopefully the fireworks go ahead. Down there is deck 11, 12, and I'm up at the adults only section on 13.
And now, kill all your cares and woes, and move your feet or move your bedroom, as the case may be, to this little slice of a pirate's life. It's time to put your hands and hooks together for the most rockin' pirates around.
We're not gonna take it. No, we're gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore. Our child, our blood's gonna live for it.
Captain Jack
On the 21st day of the first month, my poor captains of the Caribbean Sea. Only they must call out that Yo-ho!
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 Yo-ho! A pirate's life for me!
Thank you, Sir Sparkling Treasure.
Right? Aye!
That was pretty cool. Really enjoyed that. Fireworks went ahead, which was great, but it's over already. Day 4's over. Tortola was amazing. Amazing weather. And yeah, Pirates Night. I only had this on, the t-shirt that I got in the dream, and just a little detail there. So that's all I had, but that's it. I'm going to end the video there. Thank you all for watching. Hit subscribe. I've got more obviously coming from this trip and more. So thank you all for your support. Hope you're all well, and I will see you all in the next video.